Welcome to FX Options University, recorded live at the International Securities Exchange, the world's largest equity options exchange. Join the industry's top trading professionals as they provide insight and strategies for trading in the currency markets using FX options. FX options are a low-risk alternative to hedging currency moves in any market condition.
Another question, maybe?
Yeah, we're going to have to go back, though, because I can't remember the questions. Okay.
Okay. There's a remark from Brendan Dornan. Can you please use more accurate seminar description in your mailing seminar? Yeah, I want to see to Brendan that this first seminar was only on technical analysis, on major pattern, on basis of technical analysis. But for the next webinars are more focused on FX option trading, volatility con, and the choice in the expiration of the option. So we'll be more focused on option. So sorry for today, but what's the schedule like this? Today was for what the next currency move with technical analysis from Trading Central.
Cyril, I have a question for you. Do you have a favorite pattern? Triangle, head and shoulders, what have you? Is there something that you really prefer that's worked for you in the past?
Yeah, for me, well, there are two kinds of patterns. My favorite pattern for medium term or long term, it may be the head and shoulders or the reverse head and shoulders, because this kind of pattern takes long time to shape. So when you have the confirmation of this kind of pattern, the move is very clear and very strong. So we saw this kind of pattern on some European indices. Not sure we saw this kind of pattern on US indices, but for sure on European indices during 2006, 2007, 2008. And you know the result of this kind of pattern.
Yes, we do know the results.
And my favorite pattern in the short term maybe would be double bottom, double top, because they often occur. So especially when you have a double bottom with a false breakout, like not for the Japanese yen because it's not a double bottom, but when you have a false breakout on the second true of the double bottom, I think it's really interesting because there are a lot of short sellers on the false breakout, and the validation of the double bottom spark a strong bullish acceleration because there are a lot of short sellers who cover their short position. So this kind of pattern is maybe my favorite, especially in intraday analysis.
Sure, thank you. One last question from Neil. His question is, what is the time frame on the charts? And I'm going to add just another part to that. Can you trade longer term options? Like, let's say, can you look at these charts on a weekly basis and maybe look out for longer term horizons that might give you even a bigger springboard, greater magnitude for your objectives if you go out weekly, or maybe monthly is too far, but definitely weekly. Is that possible?
My opinion is that the FX market is a short-term market.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to make forecasts for maybe in 1 year or 2 years or 6 months, I think it's very, very difficult. And if it's very difficult to make a provision for 3 or 5 months, it's very difficult to trade the FX option. I think FX option is more useful for short term.
Perfect. At this point,
sorry, I saw the question, but why are the time frames so close when the alert are sent? Because we prefer the short-term position. That's why.
Right. Cyril, I think that we need to wrap it up. I want to say thank you, Merci. You just did a great job today.
Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much.
You were just delivered so much in the time, but I'm really looking forward, and all the attendees are sending some very favorable comments. So thanks again. And
sorry for my English.
Oh no, you were wonderful. You're wonderful.
Oh, thank you. You're nice.
We're looking forward to February 4th at the same time.
Okay.
We can talk about, interestingly, we'll see what happens if the dollar can hold up, and you'll tell us, what you see at that point, because really I'm sure that's, as a technician, that's what you do. You trade what's in front of you. Things will change by then, and your opinion might change, or maybe it won't by then. All right, Cyril, thank you so much.
Thank you, Steve.
I appreciate it. Looking forward to you coming back real soon. And just remember, everyone, that you can sign up for Trading Central's recommendations. You go to fxoptions.com, sign up, and you'll be able to see these, whether they are the trade recommendations or they're just the trade opinions. Cyril's group, Trading Central, does a great job with this. They had a great year last year on FX options. You can go back and check the reports. They did very, very well. But again, as Cyril said, if you're trading these, you might want to trade all of them and not just pick one or two, because those might be the ones that they're not right. But Cyril, one last comment before you go. I'd like to just give you a brief moment.
Okay.
Cyril, do you want to say anything before we close?
Sorry?
Do you want to say anything before we close?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Steve. And it was very, very interesting for me and for Trading Central. So I'm looking forward for the next one.
Well, that's great. We love organizing these events where we have investors all over the world that are interested in FX options, and they're very interested in technical analysis and your recommendations, specifically Trading Central's. So we look forward to learning more about them. Thank you so much, and we'll see everyone on February 4th.
Okay, have a nice one, Steve.
Thank you. Have a great trading day, everyone. I want to wish everyone a great trading day today and tomorrow, wherever you are in the world. This is Steve Meisinger, your host, saying have a great day and come back real soon. fxoptions.com, we have tons of tools there. Please go to the site and check it out, and please keep coming back to the webinars. Take care. Bye now. This is Steve Meisinger, your host, Director of Education at the IAC, saying have a great day. Bye.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. Get trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary. Visit www.fxoptions.com. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.